Now for today's Money Monday segment, and right now we're going to be taking a look at what's happening right now with your stocks. Joining us now live in the studio to discuss just that is CEO and President of Great Lakes Credit Union, David Seeger. Hi, David.
Good morning, Angie.
All right, so what are we looking at this morning?
Okay, stocks. Well, it looks like futures looking pretty good right now. The market, the futures for the market for the Dow is up 39.
Okay.
And S&P up 425. And NASDAQ up 1280.
Okay,
so looking pretty good as
good.
compared to last week. Boy, we had a roller coaster last week.
And, you know, a lot of the talk about what is going on is not only with the economy, the slowing of the economy over in Europe, but the Ebola thing has just been really huge.
It affected transportation stocks quite a bit because they thought people weren't going to be traveling as much. So that took, so transportation stocks took a big hit last week.
Okay, so what else are we looking at today that we're hoping will...
Well, one thing I wanted to mention is this. There's something called a VIX index, a volatility index, and it's on things like CNBC or Yahoo Finance. What it is a measurement of the volatility of the market.
Okay.
We've seen a lot of volatility this last week, and right now it is about 21. Anytime that index is over 20, that indicates there's a degree of volatility.
Okay.
So we're going to have a volatile market, but last week, like on Wednesday, it was 30.
Oh,
so
wow.
consequently, we're looking at some volatility this week, but maybe not as bad as last week.
And you know what? It's funny that gas prices are so low, too.
Exactly.
So while the transportation industry might have taken a hit,
right,
we're benefiting from the gas part of the whole situation.
We have the OPEC nations fighting with Iran, for example, on who's going to have the king of the oil fields, who's going to have the best price, and pushing other folks out of the market. So that's what's going on there.
Sounds good. All right, David, coming up next, what are we going to be talking about in our next half hour?
Well, we're going to talk about different things like in terms of the market and where we stand and things of that nature.
All right. Thanks so much, David.